We are proud to occupy a pivotal crossroads between groundbreaking designs, precision-based production, impeccable delivery, and client satisfaction. Our multi-decade experience spans all areas of expertise in the concrete industry, allowing us to constantly exceed expectations by providing unparalleled total concrete solutions for the UAE construction industry. Together, we are Concrete Industries Complex, satisfying a diverse and comprehensive range of concrete requirements every day. We are a conglomerate of 3 of the region's industry-leading companies, a proud subsidiary of ASGC Construction Corp, unifying hard precast building systems, hard block factory, and Emirates Baton, each with a unique skill set within their market segment. CIC's reputation is proven by our role in prestigious landmark projects such as JBR, Etihad Towers, Dubai City Walk, Ibn Battuta Mall, Dubai Arena, DXB Airport Expansion, Dubai Mall expansions, and many more, has successfully completed a wide scope of dynamic projects from commercial and residential compounds to schools, parking structures, high and low-rise buildings, and villa complexes. Few years ago, we set out to unify these 3 successful and innovative concrete product manufacturers under one roof, with the goal of providing our clients with a one-stop solution for their concrete needs. We also set out to further expand our horizons into new markets with vast experience and know-how from our respective concrete industries. Hard precast building systems, hard block, and Emirates Baton were brought together to realize best practices, refine the technology, streamline manufacturing processes, and maximize both cost efficiency and functionality for the benefit of our employees, clients, and stakeholders. Our greatest strengths reside in our far-sighted values and integrity that we apply on a daily basis to foster modernization and a culture of transparency which has firmly established and maintained our reputation throughout the years. We follow stringent health and safety regulations established by international and local standards for which we are ISO certified, providing our steadfast commitment to protecting our employees' interests and welfare, as well as that of our partners and clients, while always striving to provide products and services of superlative quality. In our present state, we are here to establish a new direction for the future of the construction industry in the UAE by presenting our partners with the option to consolidate long-term relationships through cooperation, communication, and continued intuitive industrial insights. Concrete Industries Complex offers exceptional total concrete solutions designed to enable and fulfill a solid and sustainable future for all of us, creating distinct and iconic landmarks that together will shape our landscape and cultural identity for many years to come.